Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix video moderated error in Grok AI. So first you go and open your settings in your phone, then you scroll down till you find apps, you click on that, then here in the search you search for Grok AI, you will find the application, then you scroll down and you will find storage, you just click on that. Then here you will find in the bottom option says clear cache, you click on that and that's it. After you finish this step you just close your settings. Then if you are using Wi-Fi you need to switch to use mobile data for a second, and if you are doing the opposite, you are using mobile data, you just turn off and switch to Wi-Fi and use it for seconds, then you can use whatever that you want. And the last step that you can do is open your Play Store, you open Grok AI application, and if you have any update you need to update the application, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.